Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are in good health. Students, in the previous class, I explained you in chapter 1 what are rational numbers and closure property and commutative property of rational numbers. And I also send you one PDF of notes. I hope all of you have written. Today we will discuss about the associative property of rational numbers on page number 14 in your books. So let us start. See, associative property. Let A, B and C be any three rational numbers, then A star within bracket B star C equal A star B within bracket then star C, where star represents the basic arithmetic operation. I told you earlier also, this star shows the basic arithmetic operation, means plus, minus, multiply, divide. Here we put the sign according to our need. So if we take any three rational number A, B and C, then A star B star C equal A star B within bracket C. Here what is the difference between left hand side and right hand side? In left hand side, this B and C, B star C is within the bracket, and in left hand side A star B is within the bracket. So how we will explain it? Where star represent the basic arithmetic expression. For addition, C, associative property holds true for addition of rational number, means if A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A plus B plus C is equal A plus B plus C, means see here example is given. If we take three rational number 3 upon 24, 7 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 12, then left hand side 3 upon 24 plus 7 upon 8 plus minus 5 upon 12. Students, according to BODMAS, first we will solve this bracket, means this one bracket first we will solve it. So 3 upon 24 plus, we will take LCM of 8 and 12, it will be 24. Then 8 3 are 24, we will divide this 24 by 8, 8 3 are 24, 3 7 are 21. Then this minus 12, divide 24 by 12, 12 2 are 24, then 2 multiply this minus 5, it is minus 10. 3 upon 24 plus 21 minus 10, 11 upon 24. Again, we will take LCM of 24 and 24, same 24, divide this 24 by this 24, 24 1 are 24, we get 1, then 1 multiply by this 3, 3 1 are 3, then plus, again divide this 24 by this 24, 24 1 are 24, then 1 multiply 11, 11 1 are 11. So 3 plus 11, 14 upon 24, we will simplify, 2 7 are 14, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Means 7 upon 12. Now we will take its right hand side. Right hand side is A star B, means within bracket A plus B. So see, 3 plus 24 plus 7 upon 8 within bracket, then plus minus 5 upon 12. First we will solve this bracket. LCM of 24 plus 8 is 24 again. 24 divided by 24, 24 1 are 24, then 1 3 are 3. Now divide this 24 by 8, 8 3 are 24, 3 multiply 7, 21. 3 plus 21, 24 upon 24 plus this minus 5 upon 12. So 24 1 are 24, 1 are 1 plus minus 5 upon 12. Now this 1 will be considered as 1 upon 1. So LCM is 12. When we divide this 12 by this 1, we get 12. Then 12 multiply this one. 12 1 are 12 minus, divide this 12 by this 12, 12 1 are 12, 1 multiply this 5, 5 1 are 5, 12 minus 5, 7 upon 12. Both left hand side and right hand side are equal. It means associative property holds true for addition of rational numbers. Means if we write like this, a plus b plus c, within bracket b plus c is equal a plus b plus c, a plus b within bracket. Then left hand side is equal to right hand side. If both the sides are equal, we say holds true. Clear? Now come to for subtraction. To check if the set of rational number is associative under subtraction, let us take 3 rational number, again same rational number. No, not same. This time we are taking 3 upon 24, 7 upon 8. Here we were taking minus 5.12. Here we will take 5.12. Clear? So we are taking subtraction. For subtraction, C, A minus B minus C. This is left hand side, and right hand side will be A minus B minus C, like this. So we will take left hand side, 3 upon 24 minus 7 upon 8 minus 5.12. First we will solve again this bracket, 3 upon 24 minus LCM of 8 and 24. 8 and 12 is 24. Again divide this 24 by 8. 8 3 ja 24, 3 7 ja 21 minus 12 2 ja 24, 2 5 ja 10. Then 3 upon 24, this minus 21 minus 10, 11 upon 24. Again LCM of is 24. 24 divided by this 24, 1. 3 1 ja 3 minus 24 divided by 24, 1. 11 1 ja 11. 3 minus 11, when will we solve it? It will be minus 8 upon 24. In the same way, we will solve right hand side. In right hand side, we will take this bracket first, 3 upon 24 minus 7 upon 8 within bracket minus 5.12. First we will solve this bracket, then LCM of 24 and 8 is 24. Divide this 24 by 24. 24 1 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3 minus divide this 24 by 8. 8 3 ja 24, then 3 multiply 7, 21 minus 5.12. Then 3 minus 21, it will be minus 18 upon 24 minus 5.12. Now LCM of 24 and 12 is 24. Divide this 24 by 24. 24 1 ja 24. 1 multiply minus 18 minus 12 2 ja 24. 2 5 ja 10. Minus 18 minus 10 is minus 28 upon 24. So you are noticing, students, that in this case left hand side is minus 8 upon 24 and right hand side is minus 28 upon 24. So these sides are not equal. Means we can write 3 upon 24 minus 7 upon 8 minus 5.12 is not equal 3 upon 24 minus 7 upon 8 within bracket minus 5.12. Not equal. So therefore associative property does not hold true for subtraction of rational number. If A, B, C are 3 rational numbers, then A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. In the same way, we will check for multiplication. For multiplication and addition, associative properties hold true. Again, if we are taking 3 rational number, first is 2 upon 7, second is minus 3 upon 2 and third is minus 7 upon 5. It is A multiply B multiply C, and here A multiply B multiply C. A is 2 upon 7, B is minus 3 upon 2, C is 7 upon 5. So first we will solve this bracket. 2 upon 7 we will write as it is, multiply. There is no simplification is possible. So 3 7 ja 21 minus 21 upon 2 5 ja 10. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. Then this minus 3 upon 5. Here, now we will take right hand side. In right hand side, first we will solve this bracket. 2 upon 7 A multiply B is minus 3 upon 2 multiply C is 7 upon 5. So in this bracket, what is the simplification? 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Then 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 upon 7 1 ja 7. So this is minus 3 upon 7. multiply this 7 upon 5. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. Then 3 1 ja 3, minus 3 upon 5. See, both the answer left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So we can write 2 upon 7 into within bracket minus 3 upon 2 into 7 upon 5 is equal 2 upon 7 into minus 3 upon 2 bracket into 7 upon 5. These are equal. Therefore, associative property holds true for multiplication of rational numbers. If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A multiply B multiply C is equal A multiply B multiply C. See, what is the difference? Difference of bracket. Here last two number hold bracket, here first two numbers hold bracket. Now come to for division. We will check same property for division. To check if the set of rational number is associative under division, let us take three rational numbers, say 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 2 and 6 upon 5. So first it is A divided by B divided by C. Then here A divided by B within bracket divided by C. 2 upon 5 divided by minus 3 upon 2 divided by 6 upon 5. First we will solve this bracket, then 2 upon 5 will be written as it is, then this division sign, minus 3 upon 2. In division what we do? We change this division sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number. We will not change first rational number, this one rational number. Here first we will divide within bracket. So within bracket first rational number is minus 3 upon 2 and second rational number is 6 upon 5. We will not make any change in first rational number at any cost. We will change this division to multiplication, then write reciprocal. Reciprocal means opposite. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Multiply 5 upon 6. Now here again simplification, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, minus 1 and this 2. So 2 upon 5 divided by 5 1 ja 5, minus 5 upon 2 2 ja 4. Again now here this is the first rational number, this is the second one. So we will write 2 upon 5 as it is, then change to divide to multiplication and write reciprocal of this one. It will be minus 4 upon 5. No simplification is possible. So 2 4 ja 8, 5 5 ja 25, minus 8 upon 25. In the same way we will solve here A divided by B. 2 upon 5 divided by minus 3 upon 2 divided by 6 upon 5. First we will solve this bracket. So 2 upon 5 will be written as it is. Then change divide to multiply and write reciprocal of minus 3 upon 2. It will be minus 2 upon 3. Then divided by 6 upon 5 will remain same. Here no simplification possible. So 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 upon 5 3 ja 15 divided by 6 upon 5. Now minus 4 upon 15. Change this divide to multiply and write reciprocal of 6 upon 5. So it will be 5 upon 6. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Now it is 5 1 ja 5, 2 1 ja 2. So minus this minus 2 1 ja 2 upon 3 3 ja 9. Means associative property does not hold true for division of rational number because both the answers in left hand side and right hand side are not equal, not same. I think this associative property should be clear to you. Now come to exercise 1A. First question. Students, before starting this exercise 1A, you will complete your notes. See this associative property I have written. I have explained you in the book, but here I have written for the notes. So I will send you in PDF. If you can write from here by stopping the video in between, then you can write from here. Otherwise I will send it in PDF form also. Okay. Now come to exercise 1A. See exercise 1A. I have already solved in my notebook, but I will explain you. Write T for true and F for false. First is rational numbers are not closed under multiplication. Rational numbers are not closed under multiplication. C. See here in your notes, closure property for multiplication. For any two rational numbers a and b, a multiply b is also a rational number. Means it is false. Rational numbers are closed, so it is false. Second is commutative property does not hold true for subtraction of rational numbers. Yes, true. See here in your book, commutative property for rational number, this one. Commutative property does not hold true for subtraction of rational number. This one. So it is true. Third is associative property holds true for addition of rational number. Yes, just now I have explained you associative property holds true for addition. Associative property holds true for addition of rational numbers. So it is true. Next, 1 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 9. Yes, true. Because both the numbers on the in left hand side and right hand side are same. 1 upon 9, 1 upon 9, 2 upon 7, 2 upon 7. Which property is this one? This is commutative property. See here for addition. This one. A plus B is equal B plus A. Commutative property holds true for addition of rational numbers. If we are taking two rational number in any order, then it get the same answer. Now 1 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 7 upon 9 1 upon equal 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4 multiply 7 upon 9. Students, see here 1 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 7 upon 9. This is associative property for multiplication, but here in this side, right hand side, this 1 upon 5 and this multiplication sign is written in place of writing multiplication, the author has written plus sign. So it is not true. If there is multiply sign, then it is true, but now it is false. You can solve it. If we solve it, see 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. It is 1 upon 5 multiply 7 1 ja 7 upon 4 3 ja 12. Here first we will get its LCM, then solve it. We will not get this equal answer in both the side. Or we can see, I have explained you all the properties by seeing this this question. You can guess that this is not true. Now fill in the blanks. If A and B are rational number, then A plus B is also a rational number. If we are adding two rational number, then we will get the answer as a rational number. Now see here, A multiply B multiply C is equal A multiply B multiply C, represent associative property of multiplication, which we discussed just now here. A multiply B multiply C is equal A multiply B multiply C. Next is 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3, like this. This 1 upon 2 is written already here. We will write this 2 upon 3. Left hand side, right hand side are equal. Now come to here. 1 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 into 14 upon 15 equal. See, 1 upon 7 here already written. 3 upon 7 already written. Here bracket is in last two rational number. Here bracket is in first two rational number. Then third one will be written as 14 upon 15. Associative property. Associative property. for multiplication. This one. This is A multiply, this is B multiply, this is C. Then A multiply B multiply C. Now 3 upon 8 divided by minus 51 upon 24 divided by 17 upon 12 is equal to, we will solve it. See here, I am explaining you here. 3 upon 8 divided by minus 51 upon 24 divided by 17 upon 12. First we will solve this bracket. 3 upon 8 divided by minus 51 upon 24. Change this division to multiplication. Write multiplicative inverse. 12 upon 17. Now simplify this bracket if it is possible. So 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 17 1 is 17, 17 3 is 51. Now this 3 upon 8 divided by 3 1 is 3 minus 3. This minus 3 1 is 3 upon 2. Now solve it. It will be 3 upon 8. See here. It is 3 upon 8. Change this divide to multiply. Then minus 3 upon 2 will be written as 2 upon minus 3. Again 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. 1 1 is 1, 4 1 is 4 with minus sign. So it will be minus 1 upon 4. I think these two questions should be clear to you. So students, you complete today up to here in your notebooks. Then in the next class we will solve next remaining question. Okay? If you feel any problem in these questions or in these properties, if any point is not clear, then you can ask me. Thank you students and have a nice day.